Buddy's asleep. We're gonna go check on him. Little Angel's sleeping. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Oh, honey. How are you? Hi, honey. Oh, you're such a cutie. Aww. You woke up from your precious nap? Oh, precious nap, isn't it, huh? I love you. I love you, honey. Oh, honey, woke up, huh? Oh yeah, he's just a adorable little cutie. Anyways, back. Good night. Oh, honey. Such an angel. Such an angel. Oh yeah, you are an angel. Oh yeah, you are an angel. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my God, buddy. Just want to squeeze your little beak. Oh. You're so cute. You're so adorable. Just a little cutie little baby. Huh? Who is? You are. You are. Yeah. Buddy, hi. Honey. I love you. Good night, little baby. Oh my God, he's adorable, isn't he? Isn't he? Are you? Are you cute? I'm gonna take him off for an see. What is it? I'm gonna get it off. Oh, you're stretching out your wings, aren't you? Little wings. Oh, you tiny little wings. I'm gonna stretch out properly. Oh, baby, I love you. My honey. Oh my God, are you cute or not? Say hi to the camera. Say hi. You're so adorable. I'm gonna give you a kiss. Now I'm gonna go. Okay, I love you. Good night, baby. Good night, baby. Love you. I love you, baby. thought that was Buddy's leaving me. Isn't he just adorable? Okay, bye guys.